Huh?
Oh, crikey.
I get here and then you guys aren't even out here watching.
That was good.
Oh, look, Dad.
Look, that is so cool. You got the video going, huh?
Yeah, finally. Crikey. Oh my goodness! Oh my gosh! Wow!
Look at that. That's so cool.
I don't think they're looking.
There they are.
Are they?
Come up here.
I want to get my phone.
Yeah?
Oh goodness. Bad time to be wearing flip-flops. Oh, there goes Guinness. Oh, I think I can hear it coming back.
Alice, make sure you get it. Yeah, come on.
Make sure you get
Where?
it.
Where?
Listen to it, listen.
It's just coming, Mum.
Look, look.
Where is it? Whoa! Oh my goodness! Oh my gosh! I can't even see it. Cheers!
Oh.
So,
Shame Steve and Karen weren't here for it.
How come they couldn't
I
make
wish they were.
Why couldn't they make it?
Oh, they've just landed.
Just landed.
Can you slide your hand, Eva?
Keep that video going, Al.
I am. Here it comes again.
Gosh, look when it comes towards you
Look
like
at that,
this.
that is so
You
cool.
can't believe it, can you?
Wow, that's cool.
Jeez, that is so cool.
Oh my word, that's amazing.
It's like a private
really
show,
I
isn't
know,
it?
it's unbelievable.
When you go to those
Oh, I bet they must be all outside there, Greg.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
They
Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
This is fantastic.
Huh? Yeah, Jack. Steve's got it and he can put it on his phone as well.
Keep that video going, Al.
I'm Dad, don't worry.
Go, Al. Go, Al.
Oh, I've lost it. Hang on, I'll just have to keep it here for a moment. There it is.
It gives you swimming, doesn't it?
It does. It's such a buzz.
Can someone just
It has so much.
Oh, I want someone to film for me because I can't enjoy the show. Because I'm too busy. Yeah. I just want to watch a little bit of it. Oh my god. Oh, I've lost it. Oh. I just want to watch one more and then I don't mind taking over again.
I tell you what, it's made Nanny really emotional.
Oh, has it?
It's made Nanny
She
emotional.
only ever saw them in the wall.
Don't get me emotional.
I wonder.
Just this last one and then I'll take it back again.
It's like this.
Woo!
This is when it's quite eerie, isn't it?
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
I presume the reason why they're not doing it over the building is if it crashes.
Yeah.
We're like, it's a field!
Oh, thanks, Bond. Thank you for doing that.
Oh my god. Watching us out like,
Dad, I would
I
have
know.
been laptop if you didn't make it.
Oh, you wouldn't believe it. I've got pictures, Mum. You never got. I got stuck firstly behind it. Oh my god.
Oh my goodness!
Oh my goodness.
Oh, phenomenal! I lost it during that.
said they could come in here in this field. It's amazing in here.
It's like over the top.
For you.
I got pictures of, I was stuck behind a tractor, and I was thinking of us yesterday. I was like, it's just the way you get
It's
stuck.
always. Nanny feels
I'm trying to-
emotional because she just remembers it.
Yeah.
And she'd see them, and it would be so because
It'd be-
the German planes were behind them, you know.
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
And you can imagine the emotion of it.
I'm gonna really try and focus on it this time. Whoa!
I'm not in appropriate running shoes if it comes diving towards us.
Oh my.
Oh my goodness!
Oh. The markings on it as well. They get the one. How long have they got it here for?
I don't know.
I'm going to grab my phone back.
I didn't think it was going to be here for this long.
I thought it was just going to be like a flyover.
Because, you know, how do you arrange that? Because you've got local planes and that. Is that it now?
Hey, there he comes, look. What is this little guy doing? This little plane here.
I know.
Look, here we go again. Oh my gosh. Oh, I keep losing it just at the end.
They'd be going, I think they'd come right up to the fence.
Yeah.
Because,
It's better here than it is
oh my
there.
gosh, it's
Definitely
amazing.
so, yeah.
I think so.
No, how much do we pay for this?
It's the coolest bit is when it comes towards you.
yeah.
It's like coming down. Oh, I can't.
Ah, it's frightening, isn't it? Can you
Look at this, look.
It's like over the house.
Here it comes.
God, this is it now. Oh, Chrissy, goofy.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
I think actually, I think it just came along and just like straight over.
Yeah,
like
that's what
that.
he did initially, didn't he? Came straight over.
Guinness he's not really impressed at
Guinness
all
isn't
by
impressed.
this.
Where is it, Guinness?
I tell you what, we'll have to go and say how we. Oh, it's such a shame that Karen and Steve didn't get here in
I
time.
know.
For that. We've had to show them on that bit of video.
On Alice's video. What?
Yeah. I've got some pretty good bits, but I lose it sometimes because I'm trying to watch it. I want to watch it myself as well.
You've got to try and watch with one eye of the camera and watch with the other eye.
It's easier said than done. Easier said than done.
Planes no, I wonder how she got it. Because they did say it would be better over this field, you see, which is why they said that could they
What am I
be
doing?
coming over this
Sorry,
field.
guys.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Lost it. That was awesome. That was
That was better than I thought it was
absolute.
gonna be.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Oh, there we go. There we go.
That was fantastic.
Absolutely amazing. I can't
Incredible.
believe the buzz that was.
Yeah.
That was so good. I'm still recording at the moment.
Yeah.
Oh, there goes the applause over there. Oh, it keeps losing focus. This is really difficult to keep your hands steady. I'm gonna have to.
Pilot is all about. That's like a pilot's dream.
Yeah.
That was absolutely amazing.
That was just
And the
like
date,
my flight this evening.
Dad.
Our date is Saturday, 18th of July, 2015, and that was awesome.